Okay, hello and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to use the advertising on Leads Leap. Okay, so as you see my mouse cursor circling around over here on the left, where we have traffic. Okay, this is the advertising area. Okay, so here we have two options for you. If you're a free member, you'll definitely want to use the free ads. If you're a pro member, you'll want to use both of these. Okay, both free and pro. What's the difference? Well, pro members you're able to post your ads in the pro area and not need to surf other people's ads in order to earn credits. So the ads over here on the right hand side is where you see other people's ads. When you click those ads like this, you'll be able to earn credits every time you view someone's website. So this website that's popping up right now, this is allowing you to earn credits. So the more ads you view, you can look at another one. Okay, click this and view the ad. It pops up into a new window, and then close it when it's done. Okay, simple as that. So that's what you do is you go to go through these ads. Now, if you've never posted an ad before, they're probably going to ask you, tell you to view something like 50 ads or something. You need a certain number of credits before you're eligible to post your first ad. So you need to do that. Now, if you're a pro member, you can post in the pro area section, and you don't need to earn credits. You don't need to view other people's ads in order to get hits in the pro area. However, you won't necessarily get views in your free ads area unless you surf ads, even as a pro member. So you might want to just still continue to surf ads even as a pro member in order to get hits from your free ad section as well. Okay, but your any ads that you post in the pro section, yes, you will earn. You will get hits anything you post in there if you're a pro member. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to post an ad. I'm going to just go through the free ad. So it's exactly the same as the pro ad. It's the same process. So I'm not going to go through everything. Now, as I've shown you how to click other people's ads, and that's fine. That's easy. Now, my credit score is still low because I haven't clicked enough ads today to be eligible to earn enough hits for free ads. But that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post a new ad just to show you how simple it is. All you do is you click the blue button. Okay. Okay. So I've created more than enough ads. Okay. Well, let me just go to. I've got 10 ads in here already. So in order to create a new ad, I need to either delete something or edit or whatever. Let me just see if I've got. I'll do the pro ad instead. Okay, that's fine. It allows me to do it, add in a pro ad. So it's the same process as the free ads, exactly the same. So it says add a new ad. Okay, so I've done that. You can also check your steps here, but what you need is it just follow the on-screen instructions. You need a URL. Okay, and if you've already got a URL and you've got a page already set up in your let me just move that out of the way. If you've got your ads, if you've got your page set up in your page builder area, then you've got a page there that you can use. Or if you've got another page elsewhere or any website or anything you want to promote, you just stick the URL in here. If you want to learn how to do build a page and use the page builder, I've got another video for that. So check out that video. Anyway, so for now, we're just going to show you how you're going to be able to set up an ad using an existing website that you've got. I've got everything set up here. So I'm just going to copy the page that I want to use to promote. I put the URL in there. It gives you important rules and descriptions about what you're allowed to do. Put a catchy title, max 25 characters. So I'm going to go to here and put something like this. This is probably going to be possibly too much. I don't know. Copy that down. Now, depending on what business you're involved in, I've got too many characters in there. Get signups to any business. I'm just going to take out that. Just it's still not going to do it. Okay, get signups to any. Okay, well, let's see what else I can use. All right, let's change it to hits, just so that I can get this done for you, just to show you. So we've got 25 characters here. Now, if you're looking for ad content, go back to your sponsor or whatever company you're promoting, and maybe go onto a lead capture page or a page of the company that you're promoting, and then just copy the any ad copy that you've got there, and you just copy what you need, as long as you've got permission to copy stuff. Or if you've got permission to, just talk to your sponsor, see if you're allowed to use the content, and then copy it in there or whatever. Or just write out your own ads. It's really that simple. Then you have a little bit of a longer description here. So I'm going to just put in something like 5-day network marketing crash course. Okay, I'll just put something like that in there, or maybe the whole thing, perhaps. I'm just putting random stuff in here. That's a bit over. Crash course 100% free. Okay. All right. Let's. Okay, let's go with that. So 5-day network marketing crash course, free lead generation. All right. So this is an ebook that I basically created, and I want people to have access to this and download it. And I put sort of links into the funnel anyway, so people are going to be able to see what businesses I'm promoting. Anyway, so then I'm going to add an image. You open this up, and it tells you 300 by 250, which is the minimum size. But even if you haven't got the exact sizes, it doesn't matter. You can just alter it. But you can put this in there. Oh, it doesn't let me just drag and drop. Sorry. Of course it doesn't. You can just click the button here instead, and then grab the image, and it works fine because I've created the right size for the ad. However, in your case, if your ad is too big or too small or whatever, you can use the tools above to sort of move it around or whatever, or to shrink it or whatever. And then you just click the checkbox, and that'll add that in there. Okay, and then you see the preview right at the top there. And then you can put in the category, the best for what your ad is about. So, for example, I'm going to choose lead generation or something similar. List building, that'll do. I'm going to put list building because that's what I'm trying to promote. People who want to learn how to, do list building or whatever, or into that, then that's going to appeal to them. But it doesn't matter so much. Don't worry too much. Just anything that's sort of relatively sort of related. Standard ad or product related ad or blog type ad or free giveaway. I'm going to put free giveaway because that's exactly what this is, or a new launch or whatever. But not looks like that. Okay, you can read descriptions by mouse overing the hover over the question mark, and then this is an optional thing. So link to your social reviews. Read the description about what that is, and you can check out your reviews and write a review if you want to. I've done some reviews, so I'm going to put Live Good in there because actually, technically, this ad will actually promote Live Good, although it's a free giveaway. It will in fact promote my Live Good on the inside. So I've already got a review about that, so that's a good idea to add that. But you don't have to. If you don't have a review, either write one quickly or just don't bother, or just keep it as the default. Just select automatic by default, and then I'm going to save that. So it says there's an error. The ad title contains unrecognized characters. Please try to blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, maybe because I'm gonna maybe because I copied it. I'm not sure why it's saying that, but let me try again. Doesn't like me copying and pasting because that's what I did. But I thought okay, well, so get hits to any business. Okay, so it doesn't take very long to write it out yourself, and that works. Okay. So it tells me to click the preview button just to preview the ad. So you just preview it, and it seems to look fine. There's my ad right there, and there's my page that opens up like this, and then they get on and they grab the free report. So that's how simple it is. And in order to get the hits as much as possible. You know, you just click on other people's ads, you view other people's ads, you get credits, and you know your ads are now saved here. So you know all you need to focus on now is just simply make sure that you have enough credits, and you do that by simply viewing other people's ads. Something you can do on a daily basis, and then just add up to 10 ads, which is the limit, and then you should be fine. Well, congratulations. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next training. Bye for now.